Hello everyone, I'm Loren Tang, Organizing Committee Chair of the Best Corporate Governance Award. In this video, I want to highlight some of the key criteria for our Sustainability and Social Responsibility Reporting Awards. Many listed company and public sector organizations are now producing standalone sustainability report or have a separate section in their annual reports. The first criteria is related to SSR strategy and governance. It is very important for company to set a clear and concise sustainability vision and strategies. The action plans and initiatives to implement sustainability strategy should be made clear in the reports, so the reader can understand the overarching objective and see the linkage between these and the specific action plans. The second criteria is related to the stakeholders' engagement and materiality. Materiality is an important concept of sustainability reporting. It is not feasible or practical for every company to analyze every possible aspect of sustainability. Instead, they should focus on aspects that are more relevant to their sector and the particular business. Engaging stakeholders and shareholders can help companies to identify issues on which they should report. Companies should provide a high-level analysis of their main stakeholders and how the company has engaged them, including the frequency of the engagement and the issues that are material to the stakeholders. Here is an example from a past award deed in which the company illustrates how different stakeholders are being approached and the frequency. There should also be a good description of the main concerns raised by the stakeholders and how these have been addressed, with illustrations where possible. Here is another example from an award winner which provides specific feedback to address stakeholders' concern. The third criteria is related to the key performance indicators. KPIs are measurable values that demonstrate how effectively the organization has achieved or is on the way to achieve its business objective. From the sustainability perspective, the management of the organization ideally should set the KPI from the perspectives of economic, environmental, and social performance. And once the KPI have been set, the organization should continue to report on them and progress towards meeting the target from year to year. If they can no longer meet or need to adjust the relevant targets and KPI, they should also provide an explanation and aim to indicate any remedy measures that they are taking. Here is an example from an award deed of how KPI can be used. In terms of reducing sugar level in the products, the company's performance for 2018-19 already exceed the target that it originally set for 2020-21. In addition to disclosing the underlying statistics, we look for organizations to explain how their KPI and target have been achieved or not achieved, as the case may be. In this example, among other things, the company aimed to decrease the amount of sugar in its products through launching more moderate to zero sugar beverages and reformulate existing high sugar beverage products. We hope that this illustration will assist your company to understand how to prepare an insightful and informative sustainability report. We look forward to your participation in our Best Corporate Governance Award this year.